To clone WhatsApp on a Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, you will need to create secure folder on your Samsung device. So to do it, you can open a settings and then navigate to security and privacy options. Open them, scroll down and find the more security settings. Inside there's secure folder. Now you will need to perform a setup. I've already done it. So if you need help with that, just watch my video on how to set up secure folder for this device. Now when it's ready, you'll be able to find secure folder either on your home screen or in the app drawer. Open it and then unlock it. After that, you can click on this plus button and here find the WhatsApp. Select it and confirm add. That way you will create a clone of your WhatsApp. One that is cloned is right here in your secure folder. That means you can click it open and then it should open as other instance than the WhatsApp that you have on your home screen or your app drawer. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.